Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Redmi A5. For that we will need the settings form. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you will find here always this symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the very last point about phone. And at the end of the list you should find the point build number. And you have to tap this build number now for 7 times. You can see already a countdown then at the moment. And then the phone is asking you for a PIN code. This is nothing else than the phone PIN, so the one to unlock the screen with. Now, in my case, it's 4 times the 1. Please take yours and confirm it with the arrow here. And now we are a developer for the phone. But where to find the developer options, let's go back one step here. That we are back at the general settings. Now you need to go to the point system, and here we should find the developer options. Here they are. Okay, now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging, or so much more. And yeah, if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable here the developer options on top like that. And yeah, that means that they are no more there. But if you want to have them back, you just tap 7 times on the build number as I have shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested, and with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.